Welcome to this tutorial on JSON and AJAX. First, let's define what JSON stands for: JavaScript Object Notation. It's a lightweight, human-readable format for exchanging data between web servers and clients. JSON has become the standard for data exchange on the web because of its simplicity and ease of use. It allows developers to quickly create, read, update, and delete CRUD operations. Let's take a closer look at the JSON syntax. It consists of key-value pairs, arrays, and objects. In addition to key-value pairs, JSON also supports arrays. These are ordered collections of values. JSON objects are collections of key-value pairs. They can be used to represent complex data structures. AJAX stands for Asynchronous JavaScript and XML. It's a technique used to update parts of a web page without reloading the entire page. AJAX has revolutionized web development by enabling developers to create dynamic, interactive applications. To make an AJAX request, we use the XML HTTP request object in JavaScript. Once we receive the response from the server, we can process it using JavaScript. When working with AJAX, it's essential to avoid common mistakes such as not checking for errors or not handling responses correctly. When using AJAX, it's crucial to consider security best practices such as validating user input and using secure protocols. In this example, we'll create a simple web application that uses JSON and AJAX to retrieve data from a server. By using JSON and AJAX, we can create dynamic, interactive web applications that provide a better user experience. When working with JSON and AJAX, we may encounter challenges such as handling errors or ensuring security. To use JSON and AJAX effectively, we should follow best practices such as validating user input and using secure protocols. Here are some tips and tricks to help you work with JSON and AJAX more efficiently. For more information on JSON and AJAX, check out these resources. In this tutorial, we covered the basics of JSON and AJAX, including key concepts, practical examples, and common mistakes. To continue learning about JSON and AJAX, try these next steps. Thank you for watching this tutorial on JSON and AJAX. We hope you found it helpful in understanding these essential technologies.